What's the meaning of achkan? Achkan. 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 An achkan is a knee-length jacket worn by men in the Indian subcontinent. It is similar to an angarka, but is shorter and has a more fitted silhouette. Achkans are typically made from silk or cotton, and are often embroidered with intricate designs. They are typically worn for formal occasions, such as weddings and religious ceremonies. Here are some additional details about achkans. They are typically buttoned down the front, with a single row of buttons. They have long sleeves, and a breast pocket on the left side. They can be worn with a variety of pants, such as dhotis, churidars, or pants. They are often worn with a turban or a pagri. They are a popular choice for grooms and other wedding guests. Achkans are a traditional and elegant garment that is a popular choice for formal occasions in India. They are a symbol of Indian culture and heritage, and are a beautiful way to dress for a special event.